In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through 2 individual movements that we're going to put together to make one fluid shoulder rehabilitation exercise. So we're going to put together with these little pink weights here, they're 1 pound weights, the reverse fly movement with horizontal shoulder adduction. Now, what I want you to do is find something like a Swiss ball, yoga ball. You're actually going to be laying on top of it, so you're going to have this in contact with your stomach as you do the movement. I'd often put this in programs for people that are doing shoulder rehabilitation or alternatively correcting posture, as well as just incorporating some stabilisation of the shoulder joint as well. So I've got these weights in front of me. I'm going to come into a kneeling position and I'm going to lay onto the Swiss ball. And that looks like so. So I'm behind the Swiss ball. I want to bring it onto my stomach. Notice what my feet do. They're going to come nice and wide. I'm going to grab these little weights in my hands. Often I'll start people off without any weight whatsoever. You don't need to load up this exercise. I'm going to come into the reverse fly first, which is bringing these weights away from my body. I then come up, back to my original reverse fly position, and back down. So that is out away from the body, directly up, back, and in. So the first thing you're looking to do is that reverse fly, bringing the dumbbells away from the midline of your body. When you bring the dumbbells away from the midline of the body, you're then going to contract, squeeze the shoulder blades, keep them squeezed as you come forwards, slowly come back, and then you can relax on the way down. Now you'd repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions, and that's how to combine a reverse fly with horizontal shoulder adduction.